Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you guys picked up one of these off of Amazon and you're not really happy with the speed, well, I got a trick for you guys on this truck and it is going to blow your mind. Let's go ahead and check out the video, guys, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Hey guys, I just want to give a quick shout out. Man, I'm so sorry guys that I haven't been posting here lately. I have been under the weather. We have caught the bug, which I'm about over it now. So we're gonna get back to the regular scheduled program. I'm feeling great. Let's go ahead and tear up this truck, man. All right guys, if your truck does this, goes about that fast, that's not bad, right? That's not real bad. But you know what? We can make it faster. With one simple step. After you have your truck on, go in your power button on your ESC. Don't push and hold it, but push it 5 times fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You hear a 3 beep. Now, you ready to see the change? Don't tell me that ain't a big change. This thing just got crazy. Now it's really some fun. Man, this thing is a blast. For the price you pay, you cannot beat it. You guys want one of these, I'm gonna put the link in the description. For 200 bucks, you cannot complain. And it comes with the paddle tires that I'm running. Oh man, what a truck, man, what a truck. Definitely a must-buy truck for 200 bucks. Man guys, I hope this little trick helps you guys, because it's definitely made this truck a little more interesting, and it's a simple little thing to do. All right guys, we're gonna catch you on the next episode. Have a good one, everybody. Now, that setting, it stays programmed in there. But if it's too crazy for you, or if you bought this for your kid and you played with it and you wanted it faster and you want to give it back to your kid and make it slower, it's really simple. You do the power button again 5 times. 3, 4, 5. You hear 1 beep. Now it's back to normal. It's not crazy no more. Still fast, but not like crazy fast like it was. So this is more controllable. So I hope this helps you guys out, because it's definitely made this truck a whole lot funner.